Hi, I'm Francesco Lenzi, the patron chef of Lenzi Tuscan Kitchen and Nonna Nella by Lenzi. And together, today, we will prepare the Rovelline alla Lucchesi. So the ingredients are flour, breadcrumb, capers, eggs, beef tenderloin, garlic, onion, sage, anchovy, pelati of Cirio. So let's start with the recipe. First of all, we will take our beef tenderloin and we start to make some slice. So after we slice the beef tenderloin, we will just tenderize a little bit. So we just give some bang. We don't want the beef to be too much thin, because as I will show you in the recipe, we will fry the beef after we pass on the breadcrumb, and after we will finish in the tomato sauce. So this can be enough. So we broken our eggs. We start to put a little bit salt, just a little bit of pepper, we will pass the beef in the flour like that. Not too much, but be sure after you don't have too much flour in the beef. And we will dip in the egg and leave like that, just to let the egg enter in the meat. So the Rovelline alla Lucchesi, some people put even the celery, the carrot, but in my recipe I just put the onion and anchovy and capers. So we leave the beef in this way, okay, and we let rest a bit, and let's start with our sauce. So first of all, we open our pelati. I start with the onion, just a little bit. So take our garlic, just broken the garlic, and we will start. Extra virgin olive oil. In the meantime, what we should do, we start slowly make our oil that we will need for fry the beef to be warm. Be careful, the oil should never smoke. Onion, garlic, okay. We take our anchovy, we broken. We let the anchovy like broken in the extra virgin olive oil. So the next step, we take our pelati, we open, we just take it off a little bit of the seed, chop too much, just leave it a bit bigger. We add just a bit. So this is going, the tomato, the onion, the garlic. We will add some capers just to chop just a little bit, not too much. So we put this, just a little bit of water or vegetable stock, not too much. So now we will switch And we will let go slowly our tomato. And now we will start to make our cotolette. So we can check our oil. So around when is around 140, so it's very soon 160, we're ready. If you don't have this, no problem, just take a little bit of breadcrumb and you will see when it starts to fry a bit, is the time to go, okay? So let's hurry up. So now what do? We pass our beef like this in the breadcrumb. Be sure to press always the beef. Like this, the breadcrumb will stay stick. Okay, so I just add a little bit of water in the sauce because I don't want never to be too much dry. And we can start to fry our cotoletta. So you see, the oil is nice. If you're doing many cotoletta, because you have many guests, just don't fry too many things in the same time. So we don't want even too fried too much in this case, because after we will finish the cotoletta inside there. So when you see start to have this nice brown color, it's meaning they are ready. Voila. Now we just make sure there is not too much oil. Okay? You can see the consistency of our sauce should be like this around. I can remove the garlic. I just add a little bit more water. And after, just maybe a little bit higher, I will dip the cotoletta inside. Now we let it go in this way for 5 to 10 minutes. So let's add our last ingredient, okay, some sage, because like this they give me the best of the flavor. And usually I just cut off like this. I don't want too much to change. So our rovelline are ready. Little bit of extra virgin olive oil at the end. And we can add all of this like that. If you like, you can even add just a bit of parsley. Rovelline alla Lucchesi.